दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरु परंपरा श्रुति स्मृति पुराणानाम आलयम करुणालयम नमामि भगवत्पादम शंकरं लोक शंकरम. Namaste. On the occasion of Sri Shankara Bhagavad-pada's Jayanti, which falls on Vaishakha Shukla Panchami, we have come to Sri Shankar Matham, located in central Matunga in Mumbai. Join us in knowing the significance of this temple. The Sri Shankara Matham presents a beautiful Dravid style of temple architecture from the outside, which captures one's attention as you walk down the road. A not so common sight to catch in Mumbai. The colorful Rajagopuram on the top depicts various deities, and below shows Sadashiva and Sri Adi Shankaracharya along with his four Shishyas, Sureshwaracharya, Hastamalakacharya, Padmapadacharya and Totakacharya, representing the very essence of the temple and its significance. The formation of the temple predates to early 1939 when a Vedic scholar and a devotee of Sri Adi Shankaracharya named Sri Subramanya Shastri Gad came to Mumbai, who wanted to share and impart Vedic knowledge to those interested. He sought guidance from His Holiness Shankaracharya, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal of Kanchi Kamkoti Peetham, who directed him to start classes on Advaita philosophy. This led to the foundation of Sri Shankara Matham in the early 1940s. In 1959, Sri M. Venkatramaya presented a white marble murti of Sri Adi Shankara to the Matham, which became the main deity. He was a disciple of Sri Venkateshwara Dikshitar, a great scholar and the then president of Shankar Matham. The present temple structure was constructed in May 1978 and consecrated by Sri Shankaracharya of Dwarka Peetham, His Holiness Sri Abhinava Sachidananda Tirtha Swamiji. The Kumbhabhishekam and Pratisthapana of Shanmat deities was performed as per the Shastras. As we enter the Math premise, we first seek the blessings of Lord Ganpati on the left and Lord Anjaneya on the right. On the ground floor of the temple entrance, one sees a beautiful pictorial depiction of Gitopadesh sculpted on the wall. Climbing the steps further toward the main temple hall on the first floor, you get a glimpse showcasing the facets of Sri Adi Shankara's life, which are beautifully engraved on the wall. Sri Adi Shankaracharya is the greatest philosopher of Advaita Vedanta, who is credited for his work toward the rejuvenation, resurgence, and reorganization of Sanatana Dharma. He is considered as the avatar of Lord Shiva himself and the foremost guru or teacher by the followers of Advaita philosophy or non-dualism. Also referred to as Shankar Bhagavad-pad, he established mutts or monasteries across India to propagate and impart the Vedic knowledge, instituting the Guru Shishya Parampara or teacher-student lineage through the Dashanami Sampradaya, a monastic order of sannyasis. He is highly regarded for writing commentaries or bhashya on the Upanishad, the Bhagavad Gita and the Brahma Sutra, collectively called the Prasthanatrayi, in addition to the Stotras and the Prakaran Grantha. He is also called Shanmat Sthapanacharya for having organized the worship of 6 deities, namely Ganapati, Shakti or Devi, Shiva, Vishnu, Surya and Kartikeya. His monumental work in a short span of 32 years has been and is a great source of knowledge and wisdom for spiritual seekers even today. The walls of the main hall highlight the Guru Shishya Parampara through carved paintings displaying the principal disciples of Bhagavad-pad. The 10 pillars on the side in the main hall exhibit the Advaita Parampara or lineage of Gurus from Daiva and Rishis up to Govinda Bhagavad-pad. One can experience a blissful and strong divine energy as you enter the temple precinct on the first floor. The Utsava Murti of Bhagavad-pad is placed on the left side of the hall and on the right is Ganapati. Right in front at the center of the main hall, you get the beautiful darshan of Sri Shankara Bhagavad-pad's Murti, seated in the Garbhagriha or the Sanctum Sanctorum. In front is the Shivalinga and a Nandi seated outside the Garbhagriha on the pedestal on which the Sanctum Sanctorum stands. The outer facet of the Garbhagriham has shrines of 6 deities or Shanmatas: Ganapati, Shakti or Devi, Surya, Vishnu, Dakshinamurti or Shiva, and Kartikeya or Skanda. The temple is unique in the sense that it gives the devotee an opportunity to pay obeisance through pradakshina to the Guru, who is placed in the center, and the 6 deities around him, highlighting the significance of a Guru who alone can lead you to the ultimate truth or guide you to self-realization based on whichever path you may choose. This aesthetically designed temple provides a visual treat to sadhakas on the history and spiritual significance of Advaita Parampara and on the life of Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Do visit this temple to experience the divinity and seek the blessings of Sri Shankara Bhagavad Pada.